Good afternoon, my name is Yakub and this is my first YouTube video, and today I'm going to be dealing with a serious issue. If any of you guys have purchased the expensive Surface docking station, you might have come across, if you have monitors, that um, there's a Wi-Fi or network issue when connecting the Surface Pro to the docking station. I'm only speaking of the Surface Pro 4 and the the new docking station because that's the ones I have, but feel free to try this step and you can always undo the steps what you have done. Right, so what's the issue? Well, you can't connect to the internet on your two monitors, through the two monitors because the Surface Pro does not work. There's a forum with literally nearly hundreds of comments, many pages, and yes, I've got the answer to it, and it was answered by Alan Boo. Now, how do we fix it? Let me just show you quickly. Click where it says Ask Me Anything and write Device Manager. Click on the top one. Wait. You should get this page to appear. Once you do, scroll down and look for this one right here. Marvel Avistar Wireless AC Network Controller. Double click. Click on Advanced. Now, by default, it should say auto, but we want to click on 5 gigahertz only or 2.4 gigahertz only. Try either one. Hopefully, one of them will work for you. I've tried both and both work perfectly fine. Click on it, click OK, but I will click cancel because I've already done it. But you should click OK, and that should fix the problem for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you like it. Feel free to subscribe and like to comment if you have any comments to how I can improve my videos or what softwares to use. Also put in the comment section. Hopefully this YouTube channel be a YouTube channel where everyone can help everyone else. Okay, thank you, bye.